Here are three things you must always do before you spend your money on anything or you use your money to buy anything. So these are the three things that I've employed in my life and it has helped me. And whenever I'm buying something or whenever I'm spending out money on anything, I use these three steps or these three things before I take out money to buy anything. And it's very useful, and I think it is I believe it's very brilliant to share these skills or share these ideas with you. The first thing is you have to ask yourself, do I genuinely need this thing, or it's just a mere want, or it's just something that I saw and I want it and I like it and I want to spend my money on it. You have to know that this is something that I need, or this is something that is very useful to me at the moment, or if I spend my money on this thing, it is worth it, and it is very valuable to me at the moment. So you have to prioritize the thing that you are buying, or the thing that you want to buy, or the thing that you want to spend your money on before you take out money to buy anything, or to invest your money in anything, or to take out your money in return for anything. Just know, ask yourself, do I really need this thing, or is this really a genuine need for me, or is this coming to make something useful in my life, or is it coming to bring something useful to me? Before you move your money, or before you take out money to spend on that thing. And if you think that the thing is just a want, then spend your money on it, or the thing is just something that you glanced on and you think you have to take out money and buy it, or you just have, and you were just attracted to the thing at the moment you saw it, and that becomes a want, or that becomes a desire for you, and because of that you take out your money and you decide to buy that thing. It is really unfortunate, and it is going to take a lot of money from your pocket because you have not budgeted for that thing, or you have no plan for that thing, but because you see people using it around, or you see a whole lot of people having it, or you see so many people having iPhones, latest iPhones, iPhone 15, and then you think you have to also have it, or because you have that money lying down and you just saw it, it's not come to serve any use to you, but you think because you can buy it, and then you have to take out the money and start spending on buying so many luxurious things, or so many things that are not helpful at the moment. So before you start out buying anything, first thing, do ask yourself that, is this thing a genuine need for me, or is this thing is something that I just want and I'm spending my money on it? Actually, if you spend on wants over needs, the thing that you wanted at the moment may even fade away, or may it may be something that you want today but you may not want tomorrow. You may even feel disappointed in yourself after buying something that you wanted, because maybe it was just for some period of time that you liked it, but later you do not like it again. But if it's something that you really need, if maybe you are a YouTuber or you film videos, you really need a camera, or you really need a sort of light, that thing is going to serve its purpose to you each and every day, and you are going to like it. So you don't just put your money in something that you just want, or something that's just glanced upon and you want to spend your money on it. The next thing is that whatever you want to spend your money on, ask yourself, is this thing within my budget? Is this thing something that I can afford and still have a certain amount of money left? Or is this thing something that I can buy 3 times, 2 times, without feeling that I've lost a whole lot of money for myself? You can't just go in and buy something that you cannot afford your own self, or you can't go and borrow money from someone and then come and buy something too expensive that you cannot pay the money back. So if you are buying anything, or if you are spending money on anything, know that this thing that you are spending money on is something that you are able to pay, or you are fully a potential person who can buy that thing. Most times you are not able to buy just because we buy impulsively. We depend on impulse buying too much. We just buy anything that we see. No, we just buy it because we don't have any budget for anything. We just buy anything, and because of that, we are just draining down financially each and every day. To build yourself and have a financial freedom, you have to have a budget and know that I'm buying this thing, and from this time to this time, this is the amount of money I'm spending, and I'm not buying anything that has a greater price than this amount, and it's set for your own self. That means you are going to stay within your means, or are going to live within your means financially. And the third and the last thing that I use that have helped me spend my money wisely is that I asked myself, can I find this somewhere else at a cheaper price? Or the thing that I want to buy, can I find it in another store at a cheaper price? So if you are going to buy something, there are a whole lot of stores or places that you can buy it from. And if you ask a price from this place and then it is too expensive for you, then you have to go around and search for other stores that you think will have a lower price for you, or have a lower price tag that you can afford. You don't just buy something when you ask for the price from one place and you think this is too expensive, but still I have to go in for it because I need this thing. You have to go around and ask so many places, or you might even know a store that is cheaper and that you can buy from. You don't just depend on one source. I wanted to order a microphone for filming my YouTube videos. I checked so many stores and then the price was not within my means. I cannot purchase that microphone at the moment, so I always depended on this microphone, which is sports, like this microphone. Okay. It's just not working right now, so I'm just recording with my phone like that. Yeah, so I just found a certain store online which has a very low price for the microphone that I want to buy, and I ordered there, and the microphone has not even arrived yet. So when it arrives, I'll show it to you. That microphone is very cheap, but was sold at a very high price in other stores. No, so you just have to look out for a cheaper place that you can buy that thing, and that's it is going to help you save save some amount of money from buying it at an expensive place. I know that there are stores that are made for expensive people or rich people, but if you are not living up to that means or living up to that standard, don't force yourself to buy something expensive from those stores. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you are new here, and then click on that like button so that these videos can be pushed by the algorithm to so many people. So that if you also like this video, make sure you share to your friend because it may be beneficial to your friends. If you don't like this video, don't share to your friends.